Today, we're diving into the lush, verdant world of botanical bodies that are about to turn your bedroom from a snooze fest into a green paradise. Because nothing says home quite like a room filled with plants, and the best part is these green buddies don't snore or steal your covers. Now, why exactly would you want to bring plants into your bedroom? Aside from offering a daily dose of the great outdoors right in the comfort of your home, these leafy friends provide a multitude of benefits. They cleanse the air, boost your mood, and a few special ones can even assist you in bagging some quality shut-eye. Sounds like a win-win, right? So, let's not dilly-dally. Allow me to introduce you to the magnificent 7, the cream de la cream of plants you need in your bedroom. Starting our countdown at number 7, we have the Boston fern. Picture this, lush, feathery green leaves cascading from a hanging basket, adding an immediate pop of vitality to your bedroom. But these fluffy green divas are more than just pretty to look at. They also champion humidifiers, combating dry air and blessing your skin with the moisture it craves. Just a little heads up. They love being pampered, so make sure to water them regularly and shower them with love. No one likes a fern rebellion. Coming in hot at number 6 is the timelessly elegant lavender plant. The soothing scent of lavender is scientifically proven to reduce anxiety and promote better sleep. Pop this purple beauty onto your bedside table, and it'll be sweet dreams all the way. Our halfway hero at number 5 is the spider plant. Fear not, this 8-legged moniker isn't as scary as it sounds. Quite the contrary, this plant is your bedroom's friendly neighborhood toxin fighter. The best part? It's low maintenance and hardy, making it the perfect green buddy for those of us who sometimes forget to water our plants. Claiming the 4th spot is none other than our sunburn savior, aloe vera. But there's more to this plant than its skin-sotting prowess. Aloe vera is an overnight oxygen factory, a veritable air purifier that ups the ante on bedroom air quality. And with its stylishly spiky leaves, it's a chic addition to any room. Making its way to the bronze podium, at number 3, we have the rubber plant. This plant will make a valiant attempt to cleanse the air of toxins. And if you're the type who might miss a watering session here or there, this forgiving plant has your back. At our silver spot, we present the graceful peace lily. This plant doesn't just add a touch of elegance with its stunning white flowers. It's also a natural air purifier and incredibly easy to take care of, making it a top choice for novice plant parents. And now, the moment we've been waiting for. Taking home the gold, at number 1, we have the resilient snake plant. Often called mother-in-law's tongue, this plant won't remind you to clean your room. But it does provide a precious gift in return. It converts CO2 into oxygen at night. Plus, it's a hardy, robust plant, just perfect for those who love the idea of having plants but also enjoy their vacations or are occasionally forgetful about watering. So, there you have it, 7 fantastic, leafy buddies ready to bring a breath of fresh air into your bedroom. These little green soldiers are ready to combat toxins, boost your mood, and even lull you into a blissful night's sleep. Now, it's time to march down to the local nursery or tap your way into an online plant store and invite some nature into your sanctuary. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep it green.